Hey everyone, welcome to Brand Ed. I'm John Timmerman. Today we're going to talk about TikTok. By now, you've heard all the craze around TikTok. It's an app that allows you to film short-form videos, usually to music. And right now, there's a lot of younger generation on it, a lot of 13 to 24-year-olds. However, just like every other platform out there, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, it starts young and then it begins to age up as it becomes more popular. TikTok is one of the fastest growing social media platforms out there ever. And before you know it, your business is going to need to dive in and invest time in creating TikTok videos.
You know those small moments, like finding 20 bucks when you're running late to work, or getting that one curly fry, hearing your favorite song when you are stuck in traffic, and some moments you just can't explain. On TikTok, this kind of stuff happens every single day. Just real people, real videos that make your day. TikTok.
But I wanted to start out by showing you how it works and by grading some of the more popular players on there today and show you how the creative ideas that they're coming out with and the creative content that they're coming out with on the platform in an effort to get you to understand how the platform works and how you might be able to start putting out content for your business. So let's dive into it. Okay, the first person who's absolutely crushing it on TikTok is Will Smith.
That's it, Brian? Yes.
Yes, the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, current Hollywood megastar. He's invested a lot of time into building up his TikTok, and he's doing an amazing job. The approach that he's taking is he, without a doubt, has video editors on the back end creating these really unique kind of twisted videos that are like mind-bending or they're visual kind of like craziness, where like there's this one video where he's literally plucked out of a scene and put into another one, and he drops and he's like, well,
I guess I'm on TikTok now.
so he's got these awesome, probably Hollywood editors editing his TikTok videos. So not only does he have a huge brand already, but he's got editors kind of creating these awesome videos to make the videos themselves hugely entertaining and just frankly just awesome. So I give Will Smith a B+ because he already has the brand. He has an unfair advantage to create content. He could literally go on there and be like, hey, I'm Will Smith, I'm on TikTok, and it would go crazy. But you gotta give it credit to the editors who are editing his videos because they're simply awesome. So I give him a B+ because he already has the brand and he has these editors that a lot of us can't afford creating these videos, but they're super awesome and they're highly entertaining. The next one I wanna talk about is Chipotle.
I love it when you make me a quesadilla, extra guacamole, corn tortilla, and everybody's ooh la la la.
Now they're a brand and they're doing a pretty good job as well. They're taking more of a comedic approach. They're doing a lot of funny videos, but they're creative and they're really not using a lot of resources. They're not using crazy editing techniques and they don't have an ad agency doing these high production shoots for TikTok. They're probably just using the app and the phone by itself and just being super creative and aligning it to music. So head over and check out Chipotle, but I grade them at around a B+ also because they're doing a good job. They're putting out different types of videos. They're putting out some funny videos. They're putting out some kind of creative videos. And I think they're doing a pretty good job with relatively little resources, it looks like. And yes, they already have the brand, which is why I bumped their grade down because they also have sort of an unfair advantage. They have an amazing product and anybody is going to follow Chipotle anyways that loves them. So I give them a B+. They're doing a good job, but look out for them to start really crushing it on TikTok. I think they're going to. The next person I want to talk about is Garyvee, Gary Vaynerchuk.
Your number. That's my tweet.
Hello?
Scott?
This is Scott.
This is Gary.
No way! Ah! Oh my god, you sound like you. I'm freaking out.
Yeah, this is not somebody tricking you. This is me, man. How are you?
Ah!
Scott, I'm calling you to tell you now I'm following you so you have one more follower than the people you follow.
Oh.
Yes, you probably know who Gary Vaynerchuk is. I don't have to go into the introduction. He's doing a great job on TikTok. You've probably heard him pushing the platform, but he and his team are doing a good job at taking what he does best, motivation and encouragement, and deploying it on TikTok. And every single day, they're getting better at it. I give him an A because him and his team really understand the platform. Yes, he has the brand, and yes, he has the team to help him produce it, but with those sort of unfair advantages to the rest of us, they're still doing an amazing job at taking his current brand and figuring out a way to deploy it on TikTok. And the last brand I want to talk about, but my favorite, is the Washington Post.
There's a whole crowd of people out there who need to learn how to do the scarn.
You jump to the right and you shake that hand, and you jump to the left and you shake that hand. Meet new friends, tie that yarn. That's how you do the scarn.
So is this going to help us with our newsletter?
Oh, absolutely not.
These guys get it. They are doing hilarious videos with almost no production, just all creativity, and they are doing the best job that I've seen on TikTok thus far. They're funny, they're engaging, they weave in some of the news articles. They're just doing it all around 360 degrees. They are doing a bang up job. I give them an A+ at the content that they're doing. It's highly entertaining, it's informational. Check them out, they get an A+. I want to give a couple of shout outs, honorable mentions to some other brands. Gymshark is doing a good job. They're super active, but they have a really unfair advantage because they're posting workouts and fitness. They have it's an unfair advantage on any platform. If you post fitness content, people are going to love it. I want to give them an honorable mention though. They're doing a pretty good job even though they're posting fitness content, and that's going to do well no matter where it goes. Another honorable mention is Vineyard Vines. They're an apparel company. They did a great job, and then they sort of stopped using TikTok back in early October, I think, but they were doing some pretty cool, unique videos. I want to give them an honorable mention because they were really doing well for a while, but then they fell off, so I'm not really sure what happened there. And then the final honorable mention are pretty much all sporting media outlets. The NFL, the NBA, and ESPN, they have a seriously unfair advantage because sports clips will do good. They will do well anywhere you put them, but they are active. They are doing a good job. So if your business is thinking about TikTok and you're not quite sure if it's right for you, or maybe your audience isn't on there yet, I highly encourage you to start experimenting with the platform. It's going to pay off long term, and the brands I mentioned today can give you some insights on what you might be able to start doing today to get yourself some attention. Listen, TikTok is early, meaning if you get in there right now, you will be able to grow your brand quicker and easier than any other platform. You're going to get more reach, you're going to get more engagement. It's so unfair to be investing your time into TikTok right now versus all the competition that is probably thinking the same thing you are, which is, yeah, TikTok, that's young kids. I'm not really into that. Get in now. You will thank me later. Thanks everyone for watching Brand Ad. Make sure you subscribe to these episodes, this channel on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter or LinkedIn. I post all this content as well as all our blog content surrounding marketing and business. Subscribe. Oh, don't forget about my podcast. Search John Timmerman if you'd rather listen to these episodes as well as podcast-only content when you're driving to work or working out or whatever it might be. So, peace everyone.